Hi, this is Todd. Hey, Rob, how you doing? Doing okay? I don't know. You drinking a beer? Oh, is that right? Oh, yeah. Well, let me give you some perspective right now. I'm in downtown St. Paul on my bike. And I got my video camera going. And I'm trying to get to my car. And my car is parked a ways away. And I can't, I tried going one way and I couldn't get there. Now I'm trying to go another way. And I don't know if I can get there that way. So, but, I should be what? I shouldn't be biking? Why not? There's a cop car. I gotta get out of the way. Here comes a cop car. I'll videotape it so you can see it. You heard it here first. Here it comes. Okay, now I gotta go. Go across. There's another car. I'm on trying to be on my. Well, you know what, Rob? It's a very exciting time. You know, don't you? Uh-oh. Well, he turned up, so I'm okay. But, no, I went to this concert, which was really sweet. Looks like I'm going to have to go this way. It was on the other side of the Mississippi, and it was all based on you know, kind of left-wing music. It was on the river. It was an awesome concert, man. We had a beautiful day. I mean, just an absolutely gorgeous day, and. So I went to this concert. It was outdoors. It's on Herod Island, so on the other side of the river. So you got to cross the bridge. That's where my car is. And so I crossed the bridge. And they said, they go, you can't go this way. It's closed. I'm like, what? So I head back another way. Nope, it's blocked off here. I go, well, how am I going to get to my car? You got to go over there. So I got to go, honestly, I got to go about 6 blocks out of my way. Just to... Yeah, because it's the Republican convention, and there's a bunch of people that are, oh yeah, lots of protests. Yeah, lots and lots of, oh yeah. It's pretty sweet though.
Where do you think we're going?
Yeah, so I got this.
Yeah, there's...
Yeah, I know. Well, hey, it's a Hail Mary pass. They're trying to figure out what they can do to, you know, do something, because they know they're not going to win. You know, and so they're going, okay, we got to do something radically different. I mean, something, you know, especially after Obama's speech, that was like that, you know. Oh, you didn't? Oh, you can watch it on the internet, man. Okay, now. See if I can get this way. See if I can get this way. But it was, you know, Rob, I tell you, this is so much fun. Honestly, it was just to kind of come down here, and I'm right, oh man, I'm by St. Joseph Hospital. And they got, you can get to the emergency room, it's just past it. They have it barricaded. Yeah. Something. Yeah. So. But there was probably about 15,000 people where I was today, which is pretty cool, to see 15,000 people at this concert. It was sponsored by the SEIU. So that was, you know what the SEIU is? It's the, what is that? SEIU is the, SEIU. I can't get a total blank right now. Service Workers, that's what it is. Service Workers Union International, that's what it is. So.
I'm actually, I was so nervous.
Oh, what do you think? Oh yeah. So, yeah, Service Workers Union International, and they're like the bus drivers and the custodians and the nursing assistants and stuff like that. They're the ones that so. Man, another dead end. I wonder if I can go this way. Oh. God. Yeah, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this on. I'll put this on like Google Earth or something like that, so you can see where I had to go. Unbelievable. But the concert, the concert had I don't know. You know who Billy Bragg is? Okay, he's a British folk artist, and he played in Atmosphere. You probably don't know who Atmosphere is. Atmosphere is a hip-hop band from the Twin Cities, and the guy that sings is white. He's pretty good. That was really going on. And Tom Morello of Rage Against the Machine was playing, and another guy, I can't think of his name. Some folk artist with a woman folk artist. And that's just a bunch of... Oh, no. No, there's a line of cops. You gotta see this. Oh, great. They're all in riot gear. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm going across the curb. No bikes? So how am I supposed to get over to the other side? Because I've been doing this. I went down by the river. I can't even get over there. So how do I get over?
Yeah, we don't know.
Come on, guys.
We just started.
I know. It's not your... I'm trying to figure out what to do.
Is here? Yeah, you can walk through. No bikes.
No bikes. No, I think I can go over by the Capitol. Can I go over by the Capitol, you think?
Well, you might be able to.
I'll try. All right. That is hilarious, man. I'm going to go off my curb. No bikes. Yeah, there's like 50 guys in riot gear by the History Center, and I can't even get over it. No bikes. Did you hear them? This is this is awesome. I mean, it's just amazing. So I'm gonna have to go up to the Capitol. I have to loop around. I mean, I'm gonna have to go. What did I say? 6 blocks? No, I'm gonna have to go about 20 blocks out of my way. Now, the car behind me. I'm going down right down the middle of the road. Okay. That's just, hey man, that's just the way it goes. You can't get mad at the, they gotta be troopers, or not troopers, they gotta be National Guard. So I bet they are. You should see the. Oh man, they had the Coast Guard on the river. Coast Guard, Rob. They had Coast Guard on the river, and they had these M60s mounted on the front and back. Fucking machine guns. Unbelievable. Yeah. God. Oh man, unbelievable. Well, there was so when I got down here early and there were protesters and they were blocking traffic. And I took video.
Okay, I am behind the line.
And they wouldn't let people through. They wouldn't let cops through. There was like a line of probably 20 cops on motorcycles, and then there was a whole motorcade behind them. So unbelievable. Now I'm up by the Capitol. I mean, now I had to go. I'm down by the river. Now I go up by the Capitol. Now it's getting dark, and I didn't bring my. I can go on a sidewalk, but I didn't go on a sidewalk. No, I'm up by the Capitol. I'm half a ways away. So I don't know how the hell am I gonna get around. I don't know. You know, the thing is, I don't know my way around St. Paul very well. Yeah, I gotta start teaching tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna turn my video camera off. It's been on for the last 16 minutes. So, you know what I did this weekend is I just kind of I have a spare bedroom, and I kind of moved there. Whoa, that's on the left, buddy. I moved the stuff out of the spare bedroom and moved it down to the the garage. I'm gonna have a garage sale in a couple weeks. So. It went well. Yeah. Looks good. No leaks. I just get squirrels out of there, man. You know? I did. Rob, I'm sending the check.